Hey, what's up guys? Let's make crab rangoon, crab wontons, cream cheese puff. Whatever it is delicious. Let's dive into the recipe. Whenever there's a potluck, I always get requested to make lumpia or egg rolls, but sometimes I don't have time to do that as making egg rolls can be very time consuming. My second alternative is to make crab wontons. They're super easy to make and they're delicious. All you have to do is fill it with some imitation crab, or if you want to be a little fancy, you can use real crab. Season it whatever you want. Place them in wonton wrappers, fry them till golden brown, and then you're done. Pair this up with your favorite store-bought sweet and sour sauce. And if you want to learn how to make this, I have the written recipe in the description, or you can head on to my YouTube for the full tutorial. Follow for more.